Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our YouTube channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to tell you how you can make money on YouTube just by using simple video clips. So you will be able to post short video clips of 5 minutes, 10 minutes of other people, and then you will be able to make money and grow your channel. Okay, so make sure you stick till the end and do subscribe to the channel. Now if you don't stick till the end, you will not get the knowledge, because if you are going to learn how to make money online, you need to have patience, you need to have knowledge what people are telling you, because if you don't have knowledge, there's no software or there's no machine which you can buy and then you can make money online. So make sure you stick till the end. Okay, now let's start the video here, and we are going to talk about a niche which is very popular these days, and it's called meditation. Okay, so on the screen here you can see a channel called Great Meditation. They have 443 subscribers, and they are launching these kind of meditation videos every day. So like they're posting a couple of videos every day. And then let's understand their statistics about their channel. So we'll just copy their channel name, and we go into the Social Blade website. We just type in Social Blade here, and just open it in a new tab, and we just need to type in the channel username here and click on this magnifying glass, which will tell us the statistics of the channel. So you can see here that this is about the meditation and all that, and this channel is making around $8,000 per day and $100,000 per year. That's what the predictions are about the channel by Social Blade. And if you look at the daily earnings here, the channel has been earning around 400, 300, 200, 300, almost $350 per day if you look at the average earnings of this channel. Okay, so this is a very good niche to start with. All you need to do is find some engaging content, find some videos, and then add some script, or you can add music in your videos, peaceful calming music, which people, which will relax people if they listen to your videos. Now let's take an example here. If you want to do this in two ways, either you can go ahead and write a script on your own about the guided steps of meditation, or you can do a Google search and just find free guided meditation script. Okay, and press enter. Now let's open this first one, which says mindfulness.com, and from here you can actually grab one of these free meditation scripts. Now you will need to actually voice over, so you'll need to say all this in in the background of your video while you make those videos. I'll show you step by step how you get those videos, from where you get those videos, and how do you put it all together. Okay, so just keep watching. So this is the script they're talking about, and this is not something you should do if you're a beginner. Okay, so if you're not comfortable in speaking in the mic, if you're not very, if you don't sound professional, like a voiceover artist, so you can avoid that. But this is the first option, that you can have script and tell the steps of this script to those people in your video with music, and then people can watch your video and get help, and they'll become your subscribers. But if this sounds too much, then don't worry, we got another way. In this case, you will simply add music, a background music like meditation music, calming music, piano music, and you will present your videos with the background music only. Okay, so let's collect all the ingredients first. What we need is, we need videos which people will see, and then we need a background music, and then we need a software which will combine everything together, and then you can upload the video on YouTube, right? So the first thing which we need is called videos, because without the videos you can't exist on YouTube, right? So for videos you need to go ahead and do a Google search and type in this thing called Pexel. Okay, now once you type in Pexel here, it shows you free stock photos and pixels, and so you need to open this website, which will look like this, And then once you are on the website, just type in the keyword meditation and press enter, and then make sure you click on videos here. Okay, so you can either collect a lot of photos and then you can merge all the photos together and then make video. Otherwise, I prefer to choose videos. Now, Pexel is only one free website. You can find other websites by doing your own research in Google, and you will get free stock, stock free copyright images and videos from those websites as well. Some will charge you, some will be free. So Pexel is totally free. Okay, now here you got 3.17K videos, which means you have more than 3,000 meditation videos which you can use for free. Okay, so let's say if we open this video here in a new tab, and I'll try to minimize the sound, so there's no sound anyway. So it's just, you can see here how this picture is suiting your video, the theme of meditation, and it's actually quite good. Now what you need to do is you need to scroll down further and you just need to click on this thing called info. Okay, make sure you go down and check these licensing options. Here it needs to say free to use, no attribution required. Now this means that you don't have to give any credit to the owner of the image, or you don't have to do anything because it's totally free. So they're allowing you to do it in your YouTube videos or somewhere else, and you don't have to even give any credit to them. Okay, so mostly or 100% of the times videos and images on Pexel are absolutely free, so that you can go ahead and so you simply click on this thing called free download. Okay, so I'm gonna just click on free download. This will just get into my save here, into my downloads folder. Similarly, I can download one more here. Let's say this one. This is just for your example, for me to show you as an example. So let's go to the info thing here and just click on it's okay, it's free to use, no nothing required, it's fine. So we can download this one too, right? And both are into my computer now here. Now what we need to do is we need to find the good music which will suit in the background. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we are going to find the copyright free music, and the best way to do that is just go to YouTube library. Okay, I'll show you in a moment how. Now this is only for your demo purposes, so make sure if you want to make 5 minutes long video, if you want to make 10 minutes long video, if you want to make 15 minutes or maybe more, so you will have to have that many videos downloaded into your computer, because normally the short clips are 10 seconds long, 15 seconds long, in that way. So if you want to make sure, if you want to make a video of 10 minutes long, that means you will have to have like 15 images or 15 videos. So just calculate in your brain, okay, how many videos you need. As many videos you need, just download them. Okay, and now let's go back to YouTube library here. So this is your YouTube channel, and then you need to first of all go to YouTube here, click on we are already into the creator account, so you need to go to your creator studio, and then once you're into creator studio, you go into this thing called audio library. Okay, now in the audio library you have this thing called search or filter library. Now in this thing you just simply type in meditation and hit enter. Okay, and these are the choices of music, so you can just push the play button on each of these songs and you can listen to this music. If you think this is the music you want to have in your video in the background, then simply click on this download button. Okay, now I'm going to, for this demo purposes, I'm going to choose this first one away, and I'm going to click on download, and this has been downloaded into my downloads folder. Okay, right, now we got all the ingredients in place. The last thing I think you will need is to create a thumbnail. Now for creating a thumbnail, you can go to canva.com, just type in Canva here, and you can just type in YouTube thumbnail here. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, right, so you click on YouTube thumbnail. So use Canva for making thumbnails for YouTube videos. And here what we do, so let's do something, let's start from the scratch. Okay, so we go from the blank, and here you will see a search box right there, and you simply type in meditation. Okay, and now here you see there will be some templates which you can use, maybe this one or maybe this one. Okay, so if you choose this option here, or it says all three, just choose this one. So you can figure this out in your own time. You can change the text obviously, and you can write something of your own choice. And once you have this this thumbnail, you can download it from Canva, and then you can use it in your YouTube video. So let's cut the story short. Let me teach you how you can actually go ahead and merge everything together now. So you got all the ingredients. Now how do you cook them? Okay, so for cooking them you need an oven, I guess, right? So in our case, to combine all these things together, we are using a Windows 10. Okay, in Windows 10 we have a thing called photo editor. In a Mac, if you're using an Apple computer, you can use iMovies. Both works in the same way. So I will give you a demo on the Windows here. So you need to go into the search box here on the bottom left and just type in photo. So once you type in photo, click on this thing called Photos app, and then on the top here it says video editor. So just click on video editor here, click on new project, and then just give it a name. So maybe demo, you can type in your own name, and press OK. Now once your new video project is created, you need to click on add, and then click on add from this PC, because we have those videos in our PC, and locate your files. So we are into downloads now. So I'm going to add these 2 videos here which we downloaded earlier, and then now this is in your library. So what you're going to do is you need to drag and drop into storyboard here. Okay, so you drag and drop here into storyboard, and if you want this image, this video to come first, you can just swipe it around here like this. Okay, now how do you add your voice or the background music? So let's say we go into this thing called custom audio right at the top. Okay, so you click on custom audio, and here you click on add audio file. Okay, we click on add audio file, choose the one which we just downloaded from YouTube. This is the one, and then you click on open file. Okay, now you can see this thing has just filled in, which means now the sound background music has covered the whole video. Now one step you need to remember here, because the video which we downloaded is only 1 minute, I guess. Yeah, it's only 1 minute 25 seconds long, and the audio file was 2 minutes long. Okay, so that means one audio file will cover the whole video. But if your video is long and the audio file is short, so let's say if your video is 5 minutes long and your audio is only 2 minutes long, in that case you will have to fill that gap. So you will have to add the audio files. You can add the same audio files multiple times. So for example, here if I scroll this arrow towards the left, this is the end, this is the part of the video which does not have the music. Okay, so to fulfill this part, we're gonna add the same audio. We're going to add audio file, choose the option here, and then you can see this is the audio we have, right? So this is the break here, this is the break point. This is for the audio file 1 which we added earlier. This is the one, and this is audio 2, like this. So you come here and you make sure you select like this so that the gap is filled. Okay, now we got 2 audio files which we didn't need, but this is only to show you, and this is how you actually go ahead and fill all the fill the complete video with background music. Okay, now once you have all the video files in place, you simply click on done, and the last step is you click on finish video right on the top right corner, choose 1080p, click on export, give it the location which will be your downloads again, I think. So yeah, go to downloads and then click on export. Now here it's going to export that video into MP4 format. Now I'm using an i7. Okay, I'm using an i7 computer with 16 GB RAM, so for me it's very fast. Okay, you might not see the same speed on your computer if you're using an i3 or i5, or if you're using a 4 GB or 8 GB RAM. So this will take longer time than usual. Okay, so you'll have to be patient. It's working, and once it is done, we will have the video right now, as you can see here. So this is the background music. Okay, and this is the video. Alright, so you see here, so this is how you can make the videos like this and then upload them on YouTube and make some money with that. Of course, you'll have to do some keyword optimization, you'll have to do the SEO and things like that. So make sure you follow the steps. If you have any issues, you can comment in the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and do like this video. Thank you so much for watching.